Are you dense or what? Let's talk a little bit about density. Has anyone ever called you dense? If someone calls you dense, they think that nothing can get into your thick skull. They may mean it as an insult, but you can have the last laugh by showing them how intelligent you really are. Density is the degree of compactness of a substance. In science, it means the degree of consistency measured by the quantity of mass per unit of volume. Density can be remembered by this simple concept. Remember Valentine's Day. Cupid is always shooting an arrow through the heart of someone you're trying to fall in love with. You see, if you remove parts of the image, you can clearly see the formula for density left behind. You can see that if we erase a little bit from that arrow going through the heart, we end up with D equals M over V. And that's our formula for density. In the formula D equals M over V, the D stands for density, the M stands for mass, and the V stands for volume. So the formula basically tells us that if we know the mass and the volume of a substance, we can calculate its density. For example, if a substance has a mass of 14 grams and a volume of 2 milliliters, we can place the values into the formula and solve for density. Here, density would equal 14 grams divided by 2 milliliters. Therefore, my density would end up equaling 7 grams per milliliter. Let's practice one. An object has a volume of 15 liters and a mass of 90 kilograms. What would its density be? Well, first of all, we need to make sure we understand our formula. D equals M over V. Density equals mass divided by volume. In this one, we would take the 90 kilograms and put it on top, and the 50 liters and put it on the bottom. Our density would then become 6 kilograms per liter. Now that we know what density is, we also know that you have mass and you have volume. Thus, any smart person knows that they are dense. Let's practice calculations on the worksheet that accompanies this presentation. And go forth and accomplish great things, all you dense people.